Okay, this is customink.com, which is a great place to use to design your t-shirts. If you don't want to use it, you don't have to. This is just where I've sent kids in the past. So if you come here to Design Lab, if you instead would like to draw your own designs, create them on Publisher, create them on PowerPoint, any of those will work. But if you want to come here, you go to Design Lab. And in Design Lab, it shows you lots and lots of options. So I'm going to go ahead and click out of that. So you have all your t-shirts. What I'm going to say to you now is that you need to just keep things to the front. Please do not feel like you need to. The shirts should just be a plain t-shirt. Don't worry about those things because basically all they'll do in the end is figure out like your design and they'll take and create it so we can make it here at school. So you can look at colors and kind of change up your colors if you would like. Those are in there. And so you can't, I mean, if you choose that shirt, that's fine, but they are. And then if you want to come here to a color, that's great. You just can kind of, but we're not going to necessarily use the one that you pull up. So just keep that in mind as you're switching them. So then I say select this product, and now there's my color. Okay, so this is where most of your magic will come. You have artwork that you can do here. You have, I could have changed product colors right here. Text is right here. Every year gets a little different. So if you start with your artwork, you can say different things you want. I hope that you took some time and looked at some design ideas already because those are kind of nice to have an idea of already what you want. So if I come here and let's say I want to do stick figures and then I choose my stick figure, you can just see how it puts it right on there for you. So then this kind of tells you like the youth size. Keep things to youth because oftentimes we're on all. So then we have a little guy, pull it in there. You can use this to center it up. You can use this to flip it if you wanted it to be upside down. Rotate it here. Maybe you didn't want it a full rotation. There's lots of things. The big thing is we can only do, your color can only be two colors at the max because we try to keep it as cheap as possible. Okay, you can always upload your own art designs too, and then just kind of go through. So when you're all done and you love what you have, you're going to do a save and share. Before I do save and share, though, I just wanted to kind of show you text. So if I go to text, it's going to kind of the same thing. So I can just, your text is just something to do with Signet Eagles. If you have your own thoughts, please feel free. But you can tell, like, once you have this, there are so many different fonts. So you can get in here. There's different fonts you can use and then move them around, play around with it. It's just a lot of different ideas and options. So please play with this program, save and share. So when you do the save and share, make sure you design name it, whatever your name is. So let's go Mrs. Holler 1. What I would do if I were you, is I would do a couple of different designs and send them to your school email address. That way you can get back to them and they'll be easy to send to me. Because what I do with them then is when you finally decide, oh, I love it, so I'm sending it to myself, K12.mtws, and I hit save. So then it'll send this to me, and then from there I can copy and paste it into an assignment, so that way you can send it to me. Only send me one design. I want your best design. If you can't decide between two, have some friends help you. That's always a good idea. And so then I'm going to click save, send. So happy designing. Good luck. I can't wait to see your ideas. We'll vote as a group and then you'll kind of go back and forth.